Let's go this way. It'll be easy because he's got to open his mouth up.
Whoa.
Whoa.
So baby Drew.
Wow. You got a hair there.
So we love baby Drew.
Chin. I never noticed that before.
Yeah. Well, you got a perfect head.
Just beautiful, I swear. Y'all have such.
Can you see Maddie?
Did she see
You
it?
see Maddie?
Oh, if I have it
Look,
focused
there's
right.
Maddie right there. Say hi, Maddie.
Baby.
Baby's Passy. Look at the baby's going to open his eyes. Oh, I think he's actually going to sleep.
Oh, is he?
Baby. Baby.
Yeah, they fixing the room over there.
What you doing, buddy? Can't get no
No,
sleep.
Madeline, no
Maddie,
ma'am.
don't do that, sweetie. Every time you
That's
do it, we gotta
Drew's
watch
binky.
that. That's Mr. Drew's.
You have a binky? Yeah, you want one that's giving Drew your binky, do you?
You want yours?
Oh, he liked it.
He loved that kiss from you, smiling big.
Look, there's your binky.
He said, I was strong just because I wanted to see my family and make sure Maddie didn't steal my binkies.
Okay, Dad's gonna wash it off. Oh, sorry. No, we can do it
Mm.
later. We can do it later. Oh, thank you. Do you want to help Mommy put the shirt on the baby? You want to help Mommy
That
put
hot
the
water's
shirt
coming,
on?
the cold water's coming out hot, so go ahead and just do it in the cold.
You want to help Mommy put a shirt on the baby? Let's open him up. Oh, look. Somebody bite him?
What happened?
What in the world? That does look like a bite, doesn't it?
Oh, that's the EKG thing.
Oh, I was like, what the heck?
Where they had those sensors on him
We
for
don't
the
want no bite
hearing
here.
test.
You cold boy. I know, buddy. They've been poking and prodding you a little bit,
Hi, Waddy.
making sure you're gonna be
Where's his
okay.
hands? Help Mommy find his hands?
Get his hand, Maddie. Say it.
Oh,
Oh,
thank
good
you.
girl.
Good girl.
Help him get his hand. That's
Yes,
cute.
hands.
Help him
Oh,
get his hand out of there,
good.
okay?
Oh, good. Now he's not going to be cold anymore. We can put a shirt on him? Oh, no, baby. Oh, no.
He says, I'll be so glad when y'all leave me alone.
Well, if we would just quit spinning up, we wouldn't do this.
That's what
Oh,
he
we're going
said.
why? Because we get a shirt on because he's cold.
He said, I just get poked and prodded here so
He's
much.
cold.
See, here comes his hand, Maddie. There what he is.
Is that hand?
There what he is, girl.
There's his little tummy.
Oh, look, there's his tum-tum.
Where's his tummy?
Yeah, like you have a tummy? You're getting hungry, baby, I know. I know it. I know.
You ready to try to get something to eat, buddy?
Maddie, come here, look. Come here, you want to hold his hand? Look.
Oh, that's been a long time.
That's Drew's hand.
You know, hold his hand and say, I love you, Drew.
Can he hold on to her finger?
That's you.
Yeah, I miss y'all. Oh my God.
Say, soon enough, girl, soon enough. Yeah.
Love you. I know it, baby.
It was like old times.
Oh, no. Who's Mommy's favorite girl? Maddie is Mommy's favorite girl. So you my BFF, right? Mwah. You my BFF. Yeah.
So this is how you do it.
Drew says, oh, y'all go ahead.
Yeah, please.
Okay,
I'm going to take a little
You want to lay
snap for
back? You can lay back.
It's okay.
Here, see if you can put this behind you.
Yeah. Look, there's a pillow behind you. You want to lay back
You
on the
want to lay
pillow?
back on the pillow?
Look, right there.
It's okay.
Right there. There, come here. Oh, no, here. Oh, nobody's going to make you go to sleep. Don't worry.
You just want to hang out here? There you go.
There.
Okay, so, oh, no, wait, let me.
There.
Here's his little bean. Does he
Got both my babies laying down with me.
They're using heaven, huh?
Baby's laying down with me.
This is called the two-finger method.
Yeah, seriously.
We talked about it, didn't we?
Yeah.
Ambidextrous. You gotta go both ways here.
Blanket?
You want a bottle, buddy? I can get you a bottle real fast if you want it.
Yeah, let's do that.
Alright.